Good morning, students. Today, we are going to start the new topic, that is decoder. In the previous video, we have discussed about the first application of logic gate encoder, and the working of encoder is to convert the readable data into its non-readable form. Now, decoder is just the reverse form or the inverted form of encoder. It converts that readable data into that non-readable data into its readable form, or we can say it converts the encrypted data into the decrypted form. Now moving on to the first point of decoder. Decoder is a combinational circuit just like encoder. Okay. Second point is a decoder accepts a set of inputs that represents a binary number and activates only that output corresponding to the input number. All other outputs remain inactive. Means in general, if I say you that what is decoder, so the very simple definition is a decoder is a circuit which converts a binary number into its decimal form. Because what was the working of encoder? Remember, encoder converts the decimal into its binary form, but decoder converts the binary number into its decimal form. So this point, second point, we will discuss with the help of diagram. Now here we will discuss the next point, third one. In the block diagram, we will study in the next slide with n number of inputs and m number of outputs. That means decoder is a circuit which take n number of inputs and produce m number of outputs. Then the next point is there are 2 to the power n possible input combinations. If you can see, if n inputs line we are talking about, like if I am saying decoder takes 2 input. So 2 input means it can have 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2, that means total 4 combinations it can take. Same here, the point is if it will take n inputs, so possible combinations can be 2 to the power n. For each of the input combination, only one output will be high. For each of the input combination, like if we are having 4 input lines, so when it will generate the output, so only one output will be active and all other outputs are low. Next point, some decoder have one or more enable inputs that are used to control the operation of decoder. This point is not important for us actually, because this thing we are not going to study, but let me just tell you about it. What is the enable input? Enable input that is used to control the operation. Now enable can have 2 values actually. Enable input, either it can have 1 value or it can have 0 value. If we will pass 0 to the decoder machine, then whether we are passing any of the input combination, it will always give 0 decimal number. That means it will always generate 0 as the output. So we always consider that the enable input is 1. So if enable input is 1, then the output depends on the input combinations. So this point is not of your business. Just leave this point. We will discuss about these above 4 points. Moving on to next, ब्लॉक डायग्राम ऑफ डिकोडर. दिस डायग्राम, ब्लॉक डायग्राम में आपको क्या करना है? लुक एट हियर, दीज ऑल आर द इनपुट्स, n number of inputs and going to produce m number of outputs, right? So if n number of input will be there, so 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1. In the same way, if I say 4 input are there, so 4 input means for 0, for 1, for 2, for 3. That means starting from 0 onwards to n minus 1. You can check here, the value of n is 4, then the last value is n minus 1. So same here, input are actually represented by variable a. ठीक है, so a0, a1, a2 up to an minus 1. And here we are going to generate the values as b0, b1, b2 up to bm minus 1. So this is a simple block diagram that you can represent, but this diagram you need not to make in the exam. When the question will come in your exam, no need to make it. If this question will asked in 2 marks, then it is sufficient to make it. But decoder question will not come in 2 marks. Means this question will come at least in 5 marks for decoder. Now next is 2 to 4 line decoder. Now look at here, this is the more important than the previous one. Like block diagram को आपको नहीं पढ़ना है, आपको सिर्फ यहाँ से focus करना है. Now look at the first one. ब्लॉक डायग्राम ऑफ 2 to 4 decoder is shown, ठीक है, in figure 2. This is 2 to 4 decoder. How you will say this is 2 to 4? Because here actually we are passing two inputs. Look at here, A input and B input. So that means n number of input. So it will generate 2 की power n number of output combinations, 2 की power n number of output सिग्नल्स यू कैन से अदरवाइज, ठीक है. सो अगर हमारे पास दो इनपुट वेरिएबल हैं ए और बी, ठीक है, सो ये टोटल कितने आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है, 1 2 3 4, ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे यू कैन सी हेयर D0 D1 D2 D3, right, for two input variables A and B. So we can say that decoder is a circuit which converts a binary number into its equivalent decimal number by taking n number of inputs and produce 2 की power n number of outputs, right. Now second point is A and B are inputs that we have discussed. A and B are inputs, so number of inputs are 2, so that's why we have written here 2. Okay, now number of possible input combinations, यहाँ पे बात चल रही है combinations की. Here we are telling about inputs only, how many number of inputs are there. Here we are asking about how many number of input combinations are there. So if n input are there, यानी कि 2 input will be there, so combinations will be 4, right. Look at here in this truth table, just leave it, let me discuss about the next point first. Number of output will be 2 की power 2, as we have already discussed. If n number of input combination will be there, n input signals will be there, then 2 की power n output will generate. So if 2 की power 2 कितना हो गया, 4, so 4 output will be get generated. They are indicated by D0 D1 D2 and D3. This done. Next is, from the truth table it is clear that each output is 1 for only specific combination of input, means for a particular combination only, for a single combination the value of each output will be 1. Now look at here for the truth table. Here is the truth table. Yes, now for 2, here we have written what, inputs and output. Okay, now 2 variables we are using, A and B, in the input column, and 4 output variable denoted by D0 D1 D2 and D3. Done. Here you can use any other variable name also, it totally depends on you. Like in your book it is given in the form of, here they have used as S0 S1 and S0 they have used in your book, and for the output combination they have taken here Q0 Q1 Q2 and Q3. This was they have used in your book, but here we are using here A, B and D0 D1 D2 and D3. Now next is for two inputs, that means A and B, we can generate total 4 combinations. 2 की power 2 ही देखो, 2 की power 2 ही हमारे क्या होंगे, input combinations होंगे, और 2 की power 2 ही हमारे पास outputs होंगे, ठीक है. अब first combination is 0 0, second is 0 1, third is 1 0, next is 1 1. This is clear, right? ये तो क्लियर हो गया सबको, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. ये तो बहुत ही ईजी है कॉम्बिनेशंस बनाना. Now here what we are writing is 1. Look at here, 1 1 1 and 1. That means diagonal entries are 1. And what we were saying, according to the definition, we said that it is clear that each output is 1. Each output क्या है हमारे पास, D0 D1 D2 and D3. That means each output is 1 for only specific combination of input. Means अगर कोई भी specific combination लेंगे, suppose I have taken this combination, this one. If I have taken this combination 0 0, so only this will be active. That means it will be 1 only and rest of the entries will be 0. That means only for a specific combination it is 1. ठीक है. ऐसे अगर मैं कहूँ यहाँ पर कि if I am going to take here 1 0 as the input combination, then this will be 1 only, rest of the entries will be 0. Now how it will be? Now look at here. For the first combination as 0 0. Yes, for 0, 0, right? If I want to calculate the weight of these two variables, so actually this is what 2 की power 0, this is what 2 की power 1, this is the weight of two variables, right? Starting from the right side हम start करें a और b, ठीक है? So ये इसका weight क्या होगा 2 to the power 0 and the weight of this is 2 की power 1, means this represent to 1 value, 2 की power 0 is 1 and 2 की power 1 is 2, ठीक है? So a represents to 2 value and b represents to 1 value. Clear? Now moving on to the first one, if I'm going to take the first combination as 0 0, so 0 0 means 0 0 means 2 की power 1 into 0 plus 2 की power 0 into 0. Done? And then add on this, so 2 की power 1 into 0 will be 0 plus 2 की power 0 into 0 will be 2 की power 0 is actually 1 and 1 into 0 will be 0, so 0 0 is 0, that's why 0 d0 जो है हमारा that will be 1. Look at here, because we are getting here 0, हमें क्या मिल रहा है, हमने अगर बाइनरी पास किया 0 0 तो हमें आंसर क्या मिला उसका डेसिमल इक्विवेलेंट, बाइनरी टू डेसिमल कन्वर्ट करता है ना डिकोडर, तो बाइनरी को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट किया, सो फॉर दिस इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशन एज 0 0 वी आर गेटिंग द आउटपुट एज 0, दैट्स वाई d0 विल बी एक्टिव एंड ऑल द अदर आउटपुट विल बी इनएक्टिव, सो जो इनएक्टिव होंगे दैट विल बी रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय 0 साइन. Clear first point? Next is, now look at for the next second combination. If I take here second combination as 0 1, so look at here, here if I write 0, here it is 1, ठीक है? So it will get multiplied by 2 की power 0, it will get multiplied by 2 की power 1, so 2 की power 1 into 0 is 0 plus 2 की power 0 into 1 is 1, because 2 की power 0 is 1, so 1 into 1 is 1, so here we will get answer as 1. Now look at here, this is actually d1, it is actually d1, so d1 means this. Now this will be active and all the other entries will be inactive, so for the active entry, actually for the active signal we will represent it by the value 1 and for the inactive value we will represent it by the value 0. Now moving on to the next combination, if I take 1 1, if I take 1 1 as the binary number, now I want to generate the decimal equivalent of it, right? So right here 1 1, now it will get multiplied by 2 की power 0, again 2 की power 1, 2 की power 1 is 2, 2 into 1 2 plus 2 की power 0 1, 1 into 1 is 1, the answer is 3. So for this combination 1 1, actually we will get answer as 3, that means d3, look at here, d3 will be active, this one represented by 1 and all these entries will be inactive represented by 0. So in this way, for every input combination there can be 4 output signals or 4 output values that can be generated, but at a time only one will be active, rest of the entries will be deactive, right? So this was the working of it. Decoder, so decoder is a circuit which converts a binary number into its equivalent decimal numbers, ठीक है? Now this was for 2 to 4 decoder. तो 2 to 4 decoder कैसे, आपको सिर्फ क्या याद रखना है, if n number of input lines will be there then it will generate 2 की power n output lines. So if number of inputs are 2, so 2 की power 2 means 4, that's why we are writing here 2 cross 4. 2 cross 4 means where 2 means input and 4 means output, so 2 input पे 4 output आपको मिलेंगे. So this is the diagram for 2 to 4 decoder. Moving on to next, here is the Boolean expression, how you write it. Now look at here, for this entry, now we have taken what, for input variable we were using a and b, right? Now for d0, when d0 will get active, when we have taken the combination as 0 0, when we took the combination as 0 0, then d0 output will be एक्टिव. सो दैट्स वाई d0 का मतलब अगर हम सोप मिन टर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करें तो वो हमारा क्या होता है, मिन टर्म हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, तभी हम देखेंगे ब्लॉक डायग्राम में वी आर यूजिंग हियर एंड गेट, ठीक है? सो अभी अगर आप देखो, सो d0 जो है वो हमारा होता है 0 0 0 0 का मतलब a बार b बार, right? Then same for d1. Now look at here in the previous slide, look at for the d1 combination. Now D1 will be active when we will get 0 1. So for D1 you will write here what? A bar B. Done. Now if I want to write for D2, so D2 is equal to 1 0. 1 0 means A B bar. Same for D3. तो D3 के लिए you will write here for D3 it will be 1 1. D3 कब आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस करेगा, कब एक्टिव होगा? when the input combination will be 1 1, that means A and B, right? So this was the Boolean expression for it. Look at here, this one we have done from the truth table, Boolean expression. Now the next is logic diagram of it. Yes, look at here the logic diagram. Now we are using, this is for logic diagram for 2 to 4 decoder. Okay, 2 to 4 decoder. Here we are using two input signals A and B. A and B, two input signals are there. That means two input signals के लिए number of input values कितनी होंगी? 2 to the power 2. Number of input values 2 की power 2 and number of output values 2 की power 2. This is for input values, this is for output values and this is the value of n. ठीक है, सो ये हो गया हमारा नंबर, दैट इज़ फॉर द नंबर ऑफ इनपुट्स, दैट मीन्स नंबर ऑफ इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशन एंड दिस इज फॉर नंबर ऑफ outputs that will get generated by the decoder. So if we are having 4 combinations, so 4 combinations में हमको 0 को represent करना है and I want to generate 1 also because we are taking the combination of 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. That means हमें क्या यूज़ करना पड़ेगा? We have to use NOT gate also to represent the value 0. 0 represent करने के लिए हमें क्या यूज़ करना पड़ेगा? NOT gate. ठीक है, now write it roughly, you write all this in your notebook. After that I will rub this, write it in your notebook. Then after this, yes, look at here. Now this line A and B, these are known as uncomplemented signals. Uncomplemented signal, that means without bar, and this one A bar and B bar, these are known as complemented signal. Complement use कर रहे हैं because that's why this is known as complemented signal. So here to represent negation, that means inverted form produce करने के लिए signal की we are using here NOT gate. Look at here, NOT gate, ठीक है, for 0 value. So it means what? Here this represents value 1 and this complemented value represents 0. Same for B, this represents 1, this one represents 1 and this value represents 0, complemented, right? Write this also in your copy, 1 0 1 0. Done. Now next is for the first combination D0. D0 will produce output for the value A bar B bar. A bar B bar means 0 0. So what you will do, you will attach, now look at here, you will attach this A bar and B bar. ठीक है, A bar B bar means 0 0 0 0 आप पास करोगे and because we know decoder actually produce the min term or the product term, so that's why we will use here AND gate, not or any other gate, only AND gate we have to use it. ठीक है, so हमने क्या किया, first combination 0 0 था तो this line and this line we will attach and in that case D0 will be active. So ये अगर active होगा 1 and these 3 will produce 0 combination. ठीक है, that means 1 will be the output. Now look at for the second combination. Look at for the second one. Second is D1. So D1 means value is A bar B. So A bar B means 0 1. So we have to take 0 and 1. So from this part, look at here, this is the complemented value. So 0 you will pass here 0 for the value A and B की क्या value है 1. That means uncomplemented signal से you are going to take the value. So आप यहाँ से attach करोगे इसको 1 and pass it into the AND gate and you will get the output of D1 here, right? Now for the next combination, A B bar means 1 0. So A के लिए अनकॉम्प्लीमेंटेड वैल्यू, B के लिए कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड. सो A के लिए आप सिंपल पास करोगे थर्ड वन दिस, एंड B के लिए कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड लेना है तो कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड के लिए सेकेंड लाइन आप लोगे, B के लिए सेकेंड लाइन दिस वन. नाउ फॉर द नेक्स्ट AB means 1 1, that means uncomplimented values for both A and B. So you will attach it here for A and for B. ठीक है, done. Means if you want to attach the value or if you want to take the value 0, so you will use these two signals, this and this. These two represent 0, right? These two signals, this and this, represents 0 signal. And if you want to take the value 1, so you will use this signal for A value and for B this signal for 1 value. That's it. So this was the logic diagram for 2 to 4 decoder. Now moving on to next 3 to 8 decoder. Only two forms of decoders are given in your book, that is for 2 to 4 and 3 to 8. Now you know well that for 3 to 8 decoder you need if 3 number of inputs will be there, so output will be 2 to the power 3. So total number of input combinations will be 8 and total number of outputs will be 8. So look at here, block diagram of 3 to 8 decoder is shown in this figure, where 3 input will be there, so that means 3, and it will generate 2 की power 3 outputs, means 8. So this is the diagram of 3 to 8 decoder from D0 to D7. ठीक है, and then A, B, C are the inputs. Number of inputs will be 3. Number of possible input combinations will be 8. देखो दोनों में we are using what input, but here we are talking about combinations, not number of input. यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ input की बात कर रहे हैं, and here we are talking about the number of input combinations. तो 3 bits से कितने combination बन सकते हैं? 8. जैसे 2 bits से how many combinations are possible? 4. ठीक है, ऐसे ही 3 bits से how many combinations are possible? Total 8. Now next is number of output will be 2 की power 3, means 8. They are indicated by D0 to D7. Now from the truth table it is clear that for each output is 1 for only specific combination of input, means at a time only one gate will produce the output, not all the gates. Now next, this one completed. Moving on to the next one. This is the truth table for 3 to 8 decoder. Now look at here. 3 inputs A, B, C and outputs are 8, because this is diagram of 3 is to 8. तो 3 इनपुट होंगे और 8 आउटपुट होंगे, तो 8 आउटपुट का मतलब D0 to D7. तो D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Done. Then next is 8 combinations you will make it here. That you can make it yourself. पता है कैसे बनाना होता है? 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0 for 2, for 3, for 4, for 5, for 6, for 7. Right? नाउ फॉर 3 सेट, यानी कि तीन इनपुट्स थे लेकिन कॉम्बिनेशंस कितने बनेंगे? 2 की पावर 3. तो दीज आर दी नंबर ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशंस, टोटल 8 कॉम्बिनेशंस, बट नंबर ऑफ बिट्स आर एक्चुअली 3. ओके, नाउ moving on to next, because we know what for each possible input combination only one output will be active, so that's why for the first one 0 0 0. अब अगर आप देखो for A B C, actually A, if you write here A B C, so it represents to 2 की power 0, 2 की power 1, 2 की power 2. ठीक है, and if you will solve it in the previous way as we have done for 2 to 4 decoder, if you will find out for anyone, you will get the answer very easily. For example, if I am going to take for this, suppose for 1 0 0, so for 1 0 0 actually 1 0 0, calculate it, 2 की power 0, 2 की power 1, 2 की power 2, and if you will solve it you will get here what? 2 की power 2 is 4, 4 into 1 4 plus 2 की power 1 2 into 0 0, 2 की power 0 1, 1 into 0 0, so answer is 4. If 4 is the answer, that means for this binary number you are getting decimal number as 4, that means D4 will produce the output. So if D4 will produce the output, it means D4 will be in active phase and all the other will be inactive. So look at here, for this 1 0 0 combination, D4 will be active here and rest all the entries will be inactive, right? and here you can write for D0. D0 means A bar, B bar, C bar, that means 0 0 0. Same here, if you want to write for this D4 मिनटर्म अगर आपको लिखनी है, बिकॉज डिकोडर्स के जनरेट करते हैं मिनटर्म्स, तो डी मिनटर्म मीन्स प्रोडक्ट टर्म दैट कंटेन्स ऑल द लिटरल्स ऑफ इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशंस, ठीक है. तो अगर आप 1 0 0 का बनाना है तो 1 का मतलब A, 0 का मतलब B बार, दिस 0 मीन्स C बार, तो A B बार C बार, डन. नेक्स्ट फॉर सपोज दिस कॉम्बिनेशन 1 0 0, so 1 0 0 means D6 will be active, all the other will be inactive. So for D6 if you want to generate the minterm, it will be A, for this B, for this C bar. So answer is A B C bar here. Done. So this was for 3 to 8 decoder. Now in the same way you will make the logic diagram. This also you have to write in your notebook, because this question means any one question from applications of logic gate. We will study half adder, full adder, encoder, decoder, multiplex, and for sure this question will come, ठीक है. So ये आपको copy में properly you have to note it down. Now look at for the logic diagram. Yes. Now number of combinations for the value of n3. Number of combinations will be 8. Combinations I am asking, not about number of inputs. Number of inputs are 3, ठीक है, A B C. तो A B C number of inputs are 3, but combinations will be total 8. So 8 combinations के लिए हमें कितने गेट्स चाहिए? AND गेट 8. तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now for this for the combination 0 0 0. तो 0 0 0 के लिए हमने क्या किया? अब यहाँ देखिए हमने कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड वेरिएबल्स बनाए हैं फॉर A बार, B बार, C बार. वी विल राइट हेयर नॉट गेट, ठीक है. नाउ फॉर दिस 0 0 0 कॉम्बिनेशन वी विल अटैच हेयर means complemented signal for A, complemented signal for B, and complemented signal for C. That we will pass into this, and D0 will produce the output, and rest all will be inactive phase. So it will be represented by A bar, B bar, C bar. Moving on to the next, any other combination. Suppose I'm going to take here 4, ठीक है. दैट मीन्स 1 0 0. तो 1 0 0 के लिए देखो, 1 के लिए तो अनकॉम्प्लीमेंटेड पास किया है, 1 के लिए अनकॉम्प्लीमेंटेड यू विल अटैच, एंड फॉर B कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड सिग्नल, एंड फॉर C कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड सिग्नल. दैट मीन्स 1 0 0. सो 0 के लिए आप बार वाले यूज़ करोगे, मतलब कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड सिग्नल्स यूज़ करोगे. 1 के लिए सिंपल, ठीक है, means uncomplimented, and here you will get the output. So in same way you will attach it, just like 2 to 4 we have done na, same here. So आप किसी भी combination के लिए if you will make it, you can easily draw, ठीक है. And do not get confused that how we are attaching these lines. Now let's suppose for 1 1 1 for the last set. Now take here uncomplemented value for A, uncomplemented value for B, and uncomplemented value for C, right? So means 1 1 1. Done. So this was the logic diagram for 3 to 8 decoder. So that was all about decoder. Now we have done about it, logic diagram. So question can come like what is decoder? So first to write the definition I have discussed it. You can write one more time. I am saying that decoder is a circuit which converts a binary number into its equivalent decimal form, right? So this is the definition. After that you will make the you will write for this, then you can make this point is more important, this one, this is the important point, this and this. After that you have to write everything like block diagram also you make it, ठीक है, block diagram. Then but in exam if this question will come in long, then you have to make the truth table also, ठीक है, and these points you have to clearly state these points. Then this boolean expression you have to write it, and the logic diagram. All these, मतलब definition, logic diagram, truth table, and boolean expression, all the things you have to write. So this was enough for today, decoder. In the next video we will discuss about half adder and full adder, and complete all the things in your notebook, because in books it is given in very detail actually, and in the exams you will get confused at what you have to study. So it's better to make proper notes now only, right? So that's all. Thank you.